Hey yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. This is a video that I'm very happy about, but we got a new radio. Not right now, but we're going to show you guys how to install the radio, what to do, what not to do, how to do it. This thing's like really old, doesn't even got Bluetooth, so, but first off, take this off. I don't want to take off the shift knob right now. I'm going to put that joint in fourth. We're gonna unplug this, and then so we're gonna unplug this right here. You can take it completely off if you want. We're gonna do it a different way right now because I don't feel like taking off the shift knob. Yeah. All right, we pulled this thing off. Got this thing off. A little flathead could help, but it's up to you honestly what you want to use. But yeah, now we got some screws. We got a screw right there. Screw, and then screw. So basically 4 screws, and then I don't remember if you gotta take this box out, but I'll see in a second. You probably, I don't think you have to though. About to get rid of the sticker bomb finally, man. This thing is kind of ugly, I'm not even gonna lie. I like it, but I don't. You know, you get the classic Buc-ee's. Jeez, everybody's been to Buc-ee's, bro. All right, let's get that uninstalled. Set y'all up for the little view. Hopefully I can see it. I don't know why, but I've been doing this thing where I show you guys what the screw looks like. It's mainly for me, almost lost it. Dude, I just lost that in real time, dude. Well, that's a screw missing. Yeah, there's no getting that shit back. I'll worry about that later. I'll show y'all the next screw. Here's what it looks like. Bro, I can't believe I lost that one screw, bro. I'm kind of sad about it. Okay, we got all the screws out. Now, just make sure it's all loose and shit. I don't know if you have to take the screw out, but there's a screw right there. Don't forget that. That's what that bad boy looked like. Oh, okay, you pull it up and there are screws in there. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's one in there and there should be one on the other side. Take that joint out and I'll show y'all what the screws look like if y'all curious. Got the extension on that hoe, nigga. So if I'm not mistaken, from memory, I think there's also a screw right here. So make sure y'all check. Mine's not there, but it might be there for you. And for future reference, y'all probably like, where am I gonna ground my radio at? My ground, I put it on this little shift boot. So you can just take one off. I think this should be a 10. You take one off, you lift it up, and you just put the ground on there. My boys, update, you do gotta unscrew this, and the whole thing should pop out. So let's pop her out, nigga. Be very cautious because you still got plugs plugged into everything, including your radio. But the radio should be self-explanatory. Oh, I think we got it. All right, boys, we got her out now. So now you kind of just unplug everything. So you got the subs plugged in right here, and then you just got your whole radio right there. Honestly, I hope it's just plug and play. But yeah, I gotta expose her, bro. Look at her parking, bro. She can't even park, dude. Peep, she not even in the lines. Almost got done though, just taking out the subs. All right, my boys, are back in the Z with it. We got the box right there. We're just gonna try to see what's up with the stock harness and the other radio harness and see what all connects and see what all we have to change. And I'll see y'all after that. Let me just get all this wired up. Looks kind of annoying, but hopefully it's plug and play. That's what I'm hoping. So let's see. I'll update y'all later. All right, my boys, it ain't done yet. It's been like 30 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. I did not know what to do with the harness. And if you guys get this cord right here, that's for your steering wheel. I don't got the control, but sheesh, peep it. So let's see if it works. This is our first try. I've been trying new things to see how this works. There's no manual for it at all, so it's kind of just me thugging it out right now. First startup, got the ground. Let's see. Also, I don't know how to plug in the sub. Okay, all right, there we go. I don't know how to plug in the sub though. Dang, it looks nice. Yeah, probably. Oh shit. All right, so far we got it kind of set up. Okay. How do you go home? Phone. All right, let me figure this out and let me see if I got everything working. We're gonna check out the sub. Make sure the sub works. All right, it kind of works, but the sub, we gotta fix the sub. Damn, I don't know about the sub. We gotta check that out. Maybe just rewire it. I left my Crocs outside, so now they're all wet. But yeah, boys. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad though. I'm not gonna lie, it's not too bad. I still gotta see all the features and stuff like that. It looks cool. One thing that I do have a complaint about is the angle. Angle looks dope, but at the same time, it's not dope.